lengthy calculations, and then you can use all the power of Microsoft Excel to analyze the data that's coming. And let's see an example of how we can use this. So let me close this and let's keep a new sheet ready here. Let me just take this out, and what I'm going to do is show you an example of how this can be used. So we will do some inverse kinematics here, and what I'll do is you'll see as a model is being built how it'll be done. So let me fix this here, and let's say I just put another line from here and make its length 25. So to distinguish it, I'll put another 2 points and maybe change the color here. Okay. Then what I'll do is just make it a free point, so it's not going to move with that endpoint of this. So let me start a value generator, and let's call it drive, and let's say the start value is 25 millimeter, 1 millimeter, and go 25. And then I'll reverse back, so apply this, and then I take this line here and control its length through this drive. So now I can, for single step, bring it to the home position. Sorry. And then say, okay, I want a line from the end of this going here, and the line from here going somewhere here. And let me fix these points and give it a length of, let's say, 45 millimeters, and then give this a length of, let's say, 40. What I'm doing I need to get the equations of two servos which will be driving a mechanism, so bear with me for a while, you'll see what happens. So end of this is connected to the end of this line, and end of this is connected to the end of this line. So I have the basic mechanism, which now is moving at a constant speed along this path, because this is being driven by this line, which is being driven by the iterator at 1 millimeter steps. So let me stop this and go to the reset value, and let's say there's a servo motor attached, linear servo attached here, it's fixed here, and there is another servo which is attached here, which is fixed here. So I'm going to fix this point here, and what I'll do is I'll calculate the length of these here and the length of this one here, and let's call it servo A, and let's call this servo B. And now when it's iterating, the two servo lengths are coming through here, so I just go to the home position and reset the value generator, put single step and reset the value generator. So this is the home position. Now I'll press the shift key and click on these two cells and say collect data, 25 iterations, that's a value generator, and it has collected the data. Now I can start Excel and paste the data here, and then fit a curve, let's say line type, and sorry, I need to add a trend line, polynomial curve, let's put it, and equation. So this is the equation of the servo, which will, you essentially what I did was I back solved the equation of the servo, and likewise you can back solve the equation for the second servo. So the data collection feature is very strong when you have a lot of transient data, and instead of like I said before, getting the data the hard way, you just collect it using very straightforward methods, and then you can do the analysis in Excel. Thank you.